Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here to tell you to mark your calendars. Yes, we now have a possible launch date for the Samsung Galaxy S11 series. And not only that, but also for some new clamshell foldable phones as well. This information comes from the very trusted leakster Ice Universe, tweeting earlier today saying, rumors, Samsung Electronics is tentatively launching the Galaxy S11 series and clamshell foldable phones in San Francisco, USA on February 18th, 2020. Now, Ice Universe has been pretty accurate when it comes to Samsung devices in the past. And even though this is based off of a rumor, this date kind of makes sense. For the Galaxy S10, the launch date was in February as well on the 20th, so pretty close in dates, and will also be in San Francisco once again. Last year's Unpacked event was great. I can imagine this one is going to be just as great, if not even better. We got so many new features coming with the new Galaxy S11 series that are going to change the game in the smartphone world. I'm talking a possible 120Hz super smooth display, tons of new camera features like a 108 megapixel primary camera with 5 times optical zoom, 8K 30 frames per second video recording, a director's view feature, night hyperlapse, and some awesome astrophotography nighttime photo capabilities. We'll also be getting bigger batteries with a 4,500 milliamp battery on the regular S11, a whopping 5,000 milliamp battery on the S11 Plus, which we are definitely going to need if we are getting that 120Hz display, and a 3,800 to 3,900 milliamp battery on the S11e. So definitely some great features and more coming to the S11 series. Now, there was some leaked images of what is believed to be the Galaxy S11 because it does match the camera setup in the back. Now, these images are kind of blurry, but if this is the S11, then this just confirms the camera setup that we've been seeing in the back. But as far as features go, I have a whole separate video explaining them, so if you want to check that video out, I'll link it down in the description below. I really just wanted to share this very possible launch date and location of the event for these devices. This gets me even more excited now that we have a date to look forward to. I'm really hoping to make it to this event to cover it for the channel. As we get closer to February, I'm sure we will start to get some more official information from Samsung. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Who else is excited for the S11 series of phones? Not a whole lot is known about the foldable devices right now, but once we get more information, once more information starts to pop up, I will keep you guys updated. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of those future videos to come. Hit that like button as well if you did like this video and find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.